Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect an exchange to your FTX wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the track section, which is going to be in the middle of the screen, track icon, then tap on the settings icon on the top right corner, and then again on the settings, now on the bottom left corner, and it's going to open up the menu, and from here you will have to go to the exchange connections, and as you can see here, you can add an exchange connection to automatically sync your balances and transactions. So you just have to tap on the add exchange, and then you can choose one of these available exchanges, let's say Binance, and you can just add your API key, your secret key, you can add the name to it, and you can also choose if it's a main portfolio or a second portfolio, and then just tap on add connection and you are all set. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.